Hi there, this is Fixed It. We've got this Storm watch that's got a dead battery in it, and I've stuck it on my little Rubik's Cube because it's quite stable. Now to take this off, what we're going to do is to use Grandma's little helper, fantastic bone handle knife, and what we're going to do is to just stick it underneath the rim, and well, that came off easy, and pry off the back. Okay, and then we see the battery. That battery is an AG4. So what we now want to do is to take out one of these AG4s from here, and to do that I'm going to cut around the top so I don't have to break the plastic. Okay, I should be able to just drop that out there, and there's the new battery. It's a little bit white because of the Alkaline coming out, so let's just give it a wipe to flick that battery out from there, and just give that a quick test on this little battery tester. So I'll turn it face down and then press it in there. As you can see, it's completely dead. So I'm just going to take some tape and wrap it around this dead battery, and here's the new battery. So let's put the battery in the tester, just check it. There we go, it's a good battery. So now we take our new battery and we insert it towards the centre and face down like this. Just push it underneath there, and there we have it. It's locked in place, and now we turn the watch over. We should see the watch ticking, and once the watch is ticking, we're going to put the back on. When you're putting the back on, look for a notch in the back. Yep, so put the notch on the winder and then just press the back in and push it down, and there we have it. And now we just need to reset the time on the watch, and it's 12:23. 12:23, that's about right, I think. Can't really tell on these watches. And there we have it, Storm watch, new battery in a matter of minutes. I hope you liked the video. Please check out my other videos and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.